All right, Yakutia, Sulko and Kyun here, ready to dive into the ultimate winter fashion review.
First up, my trusty outer shell. This red beast isn't just for looks, it's about serious insulation. Underneath,
My turn. This parka is an absolute tank. Fur-lined hood, essential for battling these winds. It's all about sealing off every entry point for the cold. These boots are serious business. Traction is everything out here.
and keeping your toes from freezing solid.
Look at that craftsmanship. No wonder these places stand up to the cold.
It's incredible how they build these cabins to withstand such extreme temperatures.
Definitely. Makes you appreciate the insulation in our gear even more, huh? All right, Kyun, thoughts on our initial impressions of the settlement? All right, vlog fam. Sulko here, reporting live from the heart of Yakutia. It's unbelievably cold out here, a real test of endurance. But we're here to talk about staying warm, right, Kyun?
Absolutely, Sulko. In conditions like these, your gear isn't just clothing, it's survival.
And Kyun has been putting some serious Yakushin level winter wear to the test. So, what's been your MVP out here, Kyun?
Honestly, it has to be this coat, my trusty Red Fortress. It's designed for these extreme temperatures, and it shows. The hood is a game changer for protecting your face, and the outer shell sheds snow effortlessly.
Wow, it really looks like it could handle anything Yakusha throws at you.
But equally important are good boots. My feet have stayed surprisingly warm.
These look substantial. How do they compare to standard snow boots?
They're much more insulated, especially around the toes and sole. It's like walking on warm clouds, even in this deep snow. These aren't just warm. The grip on these soles is incredible for icy conditions.
That's some serious traction. Have you tested them on black ice yet?
A little bit this morning. They held up perfectly. No slips so far.
Mine are similar, but yours look even more streamlined. I'm impressed.
It's all about the layers, right? Beyond the coat and boots, don't forget the extremities. My beanie is essential, and these gloves are a lifesaver for handling anything out here. A good hat traps so much body heat, and my gloves have these inner liners, perfect for quick phone checks.
So, summing it up for our viewers in this Yakushin chill, what's your overall impression?
Absolutely vital. This gear isn't just clothing, it's survival. You need the right kit out here.
All right, Kyun, let's talk about the core defense against this incredible cold. Your main layers.
What are you rocking under that parka? As you can see, I've got the thick insulated coat, but underneath I layer a warm fleece and a thermal shirt. It's all about trapping that air. This outer layer is crucial, Trace. It's a heavy-duty insulated coat. It keeps the wind out, and it's surprisingly light for how warm it is.
Definitely. Layering and a good outer shell are non-negotiable here. Mine's similar, Gar. Gotta have that fur-lined hood for the wind.
Beyond clothing, having the right gear is key. My backpack holds all the essentials: a thermos, some snacks, and
What are your absolute must-haves when you're out exploring in these conditions? Anything unexpected you've found invaluable?
definitely staying hydrated, so the thermal bottle is always full. And my camera. Capturing these moments is why we're here. Couldn't agree more.
You capture the beauty, I get the grit.
A perfect team.
What's next on our Yakusha survival checklist?
Now that we're dressed for the elements, let's explore how people truly live here. Next up, the shelter and warmth of a Yakushan home. These cabins aren't just homes. They're incredible examples of true survival architecture. Even with modern tech, the warmth from a wood fire is irreplaceable out here.
What kind of wood do you think they use? It looks incredibly sturdy.
You can practically feel the insulation from here. It's amazing.
So, what's your overall impression of how these structures tackle the extreme cold?
This construction is incredible. It's built to withstand the harshest winters.
Ready to see the inside?
This is the heart of the home, providing all the heat needed in these temperatures. The insulation keeps the heat concentrated inside. It looks incredibly efficient. How warm is it truly? From -40 outside to this cozy warmth. It's truly remarkable. It's absolutely freezing out there. But in here, thanks to our amazing gear, we're cozy as can be. First up, my trusty Yakishian-inspired beanie. This fur lining is essential for protecting against frostbite.
And my ushanka is equally vital. These flaps protect my ears and chin from the harsh winds.
But the real hero is always the outer layer. And little tricks like these hand warmers.
Layering hoods provides an extra barrier. Oh,
You really are ready for anything, aren't you? Staying warm is non-negotiable here. Okay, Sulko, are we rolling? Because I think we've covered the basics of looking good, but now it's time to talk about staying alive. Always rolling, Kiyun.
and you're right. Fashion takes a backseat when the mercury drops to -50.
This isn't just a style guide. Quickly, it's about insulation. We're talking multiple specialized layers, each with a job. Wicking moisture, trapping heat, blocking wind.
And the fur trim on the hood? Not just for looks, it creates a microclimate around your face, protecting from frostbite and windburn.
That's a game changer. It's all about sealing off those vulnerable areas. Your face, your hands, your feet, they're the first to go.
Even in here, it's chilly, right? You can feel the cold trying to creep in. But imagine being out there, exposed.
Which is why materials matter. Down, synthetic fills, wool, even specialized membranes. They all have roles in keeping the cold out.
And don't forget functionality. Pockets for hand warmers, easy access zippers, durable fabrics. You can't be fumbling with frozen fingers.
So the takeaway is, survival in Yakusha isn't just about what you wear, but how it's engineered. Every piece is a defense.
And we're about to put that defense to the ultimate test. Next up, we're venturing out into the open steppe. It's one thing to review gear, Kyun, and another to truly understand why it's built this way.
You mean like the why behind the extreme insulation? The survival aspect?
Exactly. This isn't just fashion. It's a lifeline out there. We need to show that.
And to do that, we need to experience it. Get a bit deeper than just the cabin.
I think we need to head out, even for a short trek. Feel the real cold.
My boots were made for walking, Sulko. Lead the way. Are we really going out that far today?
It's the perfect spot for the drone shots and a real clothing test. Looks like a fox. They're resilient out here.
How much further to shelter?